today for Mother's Day, I'm making a trifle pudding, a dessert that my mom used to make a lot when we were kids, and people would literally stand up in line to eat it. Today I'm making it for her with simple ingredients made during a crisis, a pandemic moment where India has been paralyzed, its governance, its people have been broken. We are all in shock, we are in pain, we are suffering collectively as a nation. And yet I'm taking this time to indulge mom with something sweet that I know she'll enjoy. See how easy it is. Join me. Let's celebrate our mothers who've taught us about our shared humanity that connects us of all colors, ilks, shapes and sizes to one another. Let's celebrate our mothers, all mothers across the world, and be in gratitude of them for being those incredible teachers that teach us to be humans, better ones, with all the teachings they give us. Learn how to make trifle, take it to your mother and indulge them no matter what day it is. Join me. Take around 3 to 4 cups of strawberries and just take out the stem part and also the leaves and rinse them in good water. Do the same with blueberries, and I've taken again around 2 cups of blueberries. Mix them up in a mixing bowl, set aside. I've taken 2 sindhuri and 2 safeda mangoes, 2 sweet and 2 not that sweet mangoes, and I've cut them into cubes and mix them back again into the bowl. In the bowl, add some freshly ground black peppercorn, some sweet paprika, add a few pinches of Maldon sea salt. It has all the sweetness of a good salt and the saltiness of salt. Add some vanilla essence. I'm using our own homemade vanilla essence. And next I'm adding some lemon paste from Nelson and Macy. It's incredible. It has all the nuance of citrus and it's just incredibly magical if you can find it. It's by Nelson and Macy. It's yummy. It's delicious in a fruit salad. I've also added just a little bit of citrus juice. We had oranges and some tangerines and some lemons that I'd thrown into a juicer. I'm mixing that with the fruit and set it aside. Like many other friends and family members, I too am working on calls night and day to connect people with medicines, oxygen, beds, and whatever help we can give. So baking was not an option, so we bought from Theo Brahma a pound cake. Slice it into 3 to 4 slices and layer in a trifle dish. Here I put the first layer down. I soaked it with the citrus juice. Now into that, I layer it with the fruit salad we've made. And you want to let this dessert sit for a few hours so the cake slices absorb all the juices in the liquid. So you put the first layer of fruit. Now pour in some Amul fresh cream that you've just whipped up. Not too much, but just with a fork. And put that over the fruit. And now put another layer of cake, some more juice, some more fruit, some more cream, and you keep layering till you get to the top. And over there now, you'll add more cream, and you then take a knife and make little slashes in between the cake layers to put as much cream into it as possible. And now let it sit in the refrigerator for a few hours. I strained the leftover fruit in a bowl so all the juices could be removed, and those I drink happily. But the fruit then I put on top of the pudding on a pile. You want it to be dramatic and high, and you serve. And a delicious fruit and cream pudding, just like a trifle, is made in a jiffy in the midst of a pandemic that's crushing nation and governance, but not our hearts and souls. Enjoy it with your mothers, share it with them. If not today, do it in the coming weeks. They'll be grateful, you'll be happy, and we'll all survive this pandemic. Despite all the odds, hopefully not too broken. I learned from my mother that you always see yourself in the other and them in yourself. And when we live like that, we live to protect each other rather than divided from each other. On this Mother's Day, as we deal with the horrors unfurling in front of our own eyes in India and abroad due to COVID, let's not forget that that other we see as everything but ourselves is also human of our collective aching, suffering, crying and struggling just like us. Think of them, thank your mother for bringing you into this world, and thank theirs for bringing them into this world. Together we are stronger. Let's celebrate Mother's Day.